everybody, I'm here to talk to you today about how to punctuate quotations when you put them in your essay. You're writing an essay about accepting others, and you're doing that based on the literature that we've read. In the story The Lottery by Shirley Jackson, Old Man Warner said, "There's always been a lottery." He's showing that he doesn't accept the ideas of others about quitting lotteries. So I want to use this quote, "There's always been a lottery," in my essay. I have to remember to do 4 things. First of all, I'm going to set up the quote with a tagline and the quotation. The tagline is the information about who said it and where I got that information. So I just put, "As Old Man Warner said in The Lottery," and I've cited my source there. Then I have my quotation, "There's always been a lottery." How do I punctuate this quotation? The first thing I need to remember is that I need to put quotation marks around exact words from texts. So this is exactly what he said in the text. So I'm going to put quotation marks before it, and I'm going to put quotation marks at the end of it. Then I need to put a comma between my tagline and my quote if my quote is a full sentence, which my quote is a full sentence. So at the end of my tagline, I need to put a comma, so there's a comma between my tagline and my quotation. I need to remember to capitalize the first word of the quote. I've done that. Theirs is already capitalized. And then I need to put periods and commas before quotation marks. So I am missing one period here at the end of the sentence. Where am I going to put it? Am I going to put it here before the quotation mark or here after the quotation mark? I'm going to put it before the quotation mark. So take a look at the 4 things you need to remember about punctuating a quote: quotation marks around exact words, commas between the tagline and the quote, capitalize the first word of the quote, and periods and commas come before quotation marks. And now you're going to answer a brief question on that. Okay, let's take a look at another example. This one's from Without Title, the poem about the father who worked in the stockyards. As Diane Glancy said of her father in Without Title, "No one marked his first kill, no one sang his buffalo song." Let's work through the 4 steps. First of all, do I have a tagline? Yes, I do. As Diane Glancy said of her father in Without Title. I've got the name of the author, the person who said this, and I've got the name of the piece. So I have cited my source in a tagline. What I need to do is put quotation marks around my quote. So my quote is, "No one marked his first kill, no one sang his buffalo song." So I'm going to put quotation marks at the beginning, and I'm going to put quotation marks at the end. Then I have to put a comma between my tagline and my quote. So my tagline ends here, "Without Title." So I'm going to put my comma here at the end of my tagline and before my quotation. By the way, my quotation can come first, then my tagline. It doesn't matter. I still put a comma between the 2. The next thing I need to remember is that the first word of the quotation is capitalized. So I'm going to take my lowercase n and turn it into an uppercase N for "No one marked his first kill, no one sang his buffalo song." And then the last thing that I'm going to do is put my period right here before my quotation marks. Periods and commas always come before quotation marks. So that's how I punctuate full sentence quotations in my essay. You're going to answer a couple of questions, and then you're going to practice working on this in your essay. Good luck.